He'll never get a permanent position. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It's not fine, it's not fine, it's not fine.
I knew you'd come for me.
No, 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 bring it! Dr. Webclass.
Hi, Corey. Remember your checkup is on Tuesday.
I won't forget, Dr. Webclass.
Whoa! I want you to meet my friend Brett. I think he'd be like really, really perfect for you. Oh, Brett, you smell like garbage.
Hi, Brett.